This was someone's Snapchat account. This is after hacking it. This was another Snapchat account. And this is after being hacked. If you really want to know that how the hackers hack the Snapchat accounts, you need to do only one thing, and that is you must keep watching this entire video till the end without skipping a single second, because if you skip, this trick is not going to work. You will not have any right to complain at the end if this video didn't work if you skip in between. But I guarantee you that if you watch the entire video till the end without skipping a single second, you'll be able to know that how the hackers hack the Snapchat accounts. Just give me your some minutes of attention and you will get what the title of the video says. First, let me tell you that this video is just for educational purposes and it does not promote any illegal activities. You can use it for right or something else, but I am doing it for educating the people. So the very first trick used by the hackers to hack the Snapchat accounts is known as AI-powered phishing, where AI is used to create highly convincing phishing messages and multimedia, making it hard for users to identify the fraudulent communications. For example, here's an example. I asked AI to create an example of highly convincing phishing message. If you don't know what is the meaning of phishing, I've already created a detailed video about hacking done by phishing. You can go watch out that video. It is mentioned in the description of this video. So I asked AI to create an example of highly convincing phishing message used for fraudulent communication. So it gave me an example where it wrote a subject with an urgency and it wrote in a professional way the whole example of AI used for hacking people's Snapchat account. In this example, the hacker tries to convince the victim that his account has been temporarily suspended, and for regaining access to his account, he needs to click on a specific link. Now this link may be a phishing link or may redirecting to a page which contains the phishing link, and as soon as you click on it, there may be scripts at the back end of this link which may enter into your mobile phone or your laptop, which can hack your Snapchat account. Now if a person is uneducated and he believes on this email or message sent by the hacker, he will click on this link and provide the personal information including his username or password to the hacker. So in this way, his Snapchat account gets hacked. The second trick used by the hackers to hack people's Snapchat accounts is known as vishing, which is related to the voice phishing. Now the psychology says that people trust more on the spoken things. So you may receive a call or SMS in which someone tries to be the authentic personality, and he does the same we have seen in the previous phishing example. He will ask for the personal information. He may tell you that your Snapchat account has been suspended, and he will ask you to provide your sensitive information including your Snapchat password. And as this scam is being done by the voice call, so people provide their sensitive information, and in this way people's Snapchat accounts get hacked. The third type of trick used by the hackers to hack people's Snapchat accounts is known as malware and clickjacking. Initially, malware was spread through suspicious links and downloads. Today, hackers employ advanced malware like spyware, ransomware, and adware that can be embedded in seemingly innocuous social media posts or advertisements. For example, now if I'm scrolling through Snapchat and I may see an ad, and if I click on that ad, it may redirect to a page which contains the phishing links, and we'll see that in just a minute. Clickjacking has also become more prevalent, redirecting clicks meant for purpose to malicious sites or downloads. For example, you may click on a Snapchat ad and it may redirect to a page like this which contains the mods or something to download, which seems like the official Snapchat application. And as soon as you download these kind of mods and enter your personal information in these third-party applications, or even in some cases, you don't even need to enter your personal information, your Snapchat and even other social media accounts directly get hacked as soon as you download something from any illegal website. So stay safe, stay aware. I hope you understood the things I mentioned. Mostly I repeated the word phishing. If you don't know its meaning, this video may be difficult for you to understand. I've also told the methods to create the phishing links in that video there. So go watch out that video and come back to this video again so it will be making sense for you. Now tell me in the comments that which was your favorite method for hacking people's Snapchat accounts. See you in the video mentioned in the description of this video. I'll be waiting for you there.